AP Cram, the AP Human Geography exam. Free response, question 23. Demography, Malthus population theory. Remember that section 2 consists of free response questions. There are 3 questions that should be formatted as short essay answers, and you have 75 minutes to complete them, so allocate your time properly. The free response section is 50% of your exam score. You're required to define and explain and apply geographic concepts and also interpret geographic data. Okay? Identify and explain 3 reasons why some geographers today believe that Malthus theory can be used to predict future population issues. The first reason why some geographers feel that they can reliably rely on Malthus theory to predict population issues is the current trend in population rise. I'll give you a moment to think about exactly how Malthus theory relates to the current trends in population rise. For one, the population has been rising quickly, and this is due to a limited use of contraception, as well as political policies, economic decisions, and cultural beliefs that support population growth. So, of course, you can go into further detail with this, and if writing such an answer on your exam, be sure to put it in sentence form. All right, and second reason why some geographers believe that they can reliably use Malthus theory to predict population issues is kind of the same as reason one. The demographic transition model by Malthus is kind of his version of population rise, but it's tangentially different and a little bit more specific than reason one. So, can you think of the demographic transition model proposed by Malthus? I'll give you a moment to envision it. All right, so the population has generally grown as predicted by Malthus in the demographic transition model. Specifically, I'm talking about stage 2 and stage 3. Okay, so in stage 1, let's just go back. The crude birth rate and the crude death rate are kind of the same, so the total population levels off. But in stage 2, the crude birth rate is higher than the crude death rate, so the population is on the rise, and this trend continues. Thus, the population continues to rise throughout stage 3, and this is concurrent with urbanization, industrialization, and stage 3 signifies a mature industry. Okay. A third reason why some geographers feel like they can reliably depend on Malthus's theory to predict population issues is because of trends in food supply. I'll give you a moment to think about why this is. Well, the food supply has generally grown as predicted by Malthus. That is, the food supply has increased, but it has not kept up with the population increase, as pictured here. We see the food supply in blue is growing, but the population is also growing. The problematic region is this region right here, the area of crisis, when the population begins to exceed the food supply, and this is because population growth is exponential, whereas food supply growth is generally a linear arithmetic growth. Okay?